There's nothing weird at the horizon, but yet something weird appears to be happening. The picture of the thing is breaking down. And so then we could skip, if you want, to what is the picture of this? And I should emphasize the health warning here. This is ongoing research, and there is no agreed upon picture. And there's some other subtleties we'll talk about in a minute. But a picture of what's happening is related to something called the holographic principle at some level, we think. And another discovery that was made in the 70s, which is quite interesting. By quite, I'm using it in the American sense, it's very interesting, is that, so Jacob Bekenstein, one of the pioneers along with Stephen Hawking, calculated what's called the entropy of a black hole. So this thing has a temperature. Stephen calculated the temperature. That is inscribed on his gravestone in Westminster Abbey, his equation for the temperature of a black hole. So it's a huge fundamental discovery. Temperature is now, we understand it now. We didn't, when we first introduced the concept, we didn't know about atoms and molecules. Yeah. Then we did. And we realized that temperature is about how fast the component parts jiggle around of a thing, right? So in this water here, you heat it up, the molecules are jiggling around faster. That's what temperature is. This thing, a black hole, think about what this is. I said the description of it is just space and time. That's all it is. It's geometry. So immediately we've got the temperature of a geometry, not a temperature of a thing made of stuff, but just a temperature of space, right? So that's kind of interesting. And then Bekenstein calculates that this thing has an entropy, which implies that it hides information from us. There's